Open Cash App on your mobile device. Tap on the icon in the lower left corner to go to the My Cash tab. Tap on either the name of your bank or your credit card, depending on which one you want to remove. To remove the card altogether, tap Remove Card. This will remove the card from your account immediately. If you want to replace it with a new debit card, tap Replace Card. To change bank accounts, open the app and go to the tab in the lower left corner. Tap on the name of the bank you want to change or remove. If you want to remove the bank account altogether, tap Remove Bank. This will unlink the account from your Cash App profile immediately. If you want to replace it with a new bank, tap Replace Bank.